Hi everyone, welcome to the bill tutorial. We're going to walk through in this specific bill tutorial about how to add expense lines to a bill. So this is basically if you've been given a bill by your vendor or some third party, basically you want to record that bill in the system. So I'm in the bill module here, and first thing we'll do is select a vendor for our bill. Here we go. Let me select a vendor. You can select the payment terms as well. The bill date. So this is the date that you got billed, and this is the receipt date. So this is the actual date that shows up in the transaction. So in this kind of scenario where you're just going to add expense lines, typically these are going to be the same date. Otherwise, you can change those as well, and you can change the due date as well. You can add things like vendor bill numbers or packing slip numbers or a memo as well if necessary. You can also select a store as well. So this will associate the bill with a specific store or warehouse. If you have multiple warehouses set up in the system, you can associate this bill with that warehouse. So let's go ahead. Let's add a expense line. So I can add multiple expense lines. So let's say I had to pay for some contracting work, and let's say I got charged $9.25. And let's say I also want to maybe add some interest as well. And let's say maybe $25. I can also make adjustments, tax adjustments. So if your bill is maybe not the exact amount that you were billed, you can always adjust the tax amount. So let's say if I go here, I can select the tax item here, and let's say I want to adjust it by 3 cents. I can do a positive or a negative adjustment as well. Let's do a positive adjustment. It's added here, and you can see how that the tax just went up by 3 cents. And it can add a memo here as well. And let me just click save. And your bill for expense lines has been saved.